You can call this a derivative graph or a rate graph. Rate and derivative, they're kind of like the same thing in my head. So when you have the independent variable down here, it gives you a rate. Okay, so this is a rate. It's a derivative graph. It's the f prime graph. This is what we're looking at. And so how much, what does it say? The rate. What was the question? Oh, there it is. How much cola does Joe lose in this bottling disaster?
How does a machine have this much cola? That's my question.
Well, I guess he has his own private cola business. Okay.
More like, geez.
You know what? I'm not gonna question the scenario. I'm just gonna solve the problem and get on with my life.
No, not to question.
All right. So this is how you guys do it. This is weird. Okay. You find the area under the curve. That's what you do. Okay, so, well, in math we say curve just to sum them all together. And so, do you guys know what shape this is right here?
Two triangles.
You guys see it?
Square.
This is not a square. It's not a rectangle. What is this? Okay, here. This has two parallel sides. Exactly one pair of parallel sides. You know what shape that is? Geometry? It's called a trapezoid. Okay? Now, when you guys find the area of a trapezoid, you add base 1 to base 2, and then you multiply that by the height. This is the height. It's kind of on its side.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you multiply by the height, and then you divide it by 2. Okay? Yeah, in geometry, they go through an in-depth explanation as to why you add the two bases together and then divide by 2. But that's all you have to do. We're going to find the area of that trapezoid. We also will need to find the area of this triangle. Okay? Now, to find B1 and B2, that's actually not that hard. But here, let me write the formula for you guys really fast. It's B1 plus B2. And then you're going to multiply us by 1/2 and the height, okay? And I told you guys what the height was. The height is the horizontal distance between the two parallel lines. And then your B1, B2 are right there. Check this out. What's the length of B1? I don't know. Oh, it's 10. Because remember, it goes all the way up to 10 right there. What's the length of B2?
8.
It's 8. Okay, so boom. We got our stuff right here. So we have 1/2. We have our 10 plus 8, which you guys probably wouldn't write. You would just do in your head because that's so easy to do. And then what is my horizontal distance here? 50. See, the numbers are all there. You don't have to sit there and count stuff. All right, so half of 50 is 25.
Oh, why'd you go that route?
Because I wanted to. And this is 18. Oof.
Why'd you go that route?
Okay, well, you guys got a better one? Let's see. Let's go 18 times 1/2. That's 9. Oh, that is better. Yeah. Okay, good call. 9 times 5 is 45. We put the 0 on it. Oh, that's not our answer, but that's the area of the trapezoid, right? 450 squares. Yes, you can count all those squares, and you'll find 450 squares in there. Now let's do our trapezoid. Or I'm sorry, our triangle. It's 1/2 base times height. So we have 1/2 times the base. And you can make this the base, or you can make this the base. It doesn't matter. I'm going to make this the base. So that's going to be, what's 50 to 60? Do you guys know what that is? Oh, that's 10. That's not bad. And then we have the height. What was this number again right here? Oh, that was 8. Okay, so I do half of 8. Then we get 40. And so our answer is 49. I'm sorry, 490. Haha.
490.
So you add this to that, and 490 what?
Gallons. That's a lot of gallons.
That's how much cola they lost.
That's a cola factory.